So I'm not sure if these are the same size or not, but we just gonna, babe, we just gonna try. We here, but I've been holding this upside down. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. All right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Bake with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Let's make my version of Tassili's kale wrap. Let's get started. As you guys know, Tassili's is a very popular vegan restaurant here in Atlanta, Georgia, loved by most vegans and non-vegans, and you guys have seen me make this recipe 1,000 times. However, this is the first time I wanted to do a recorded video because you guys know I go raw every single year, so this time you can just refer back to this video and I don't have to show you the recipe every single time. I know you guys may or may not mind, but listen, I'm sick of it. This time we can say I'm eating a Tassili's wrap, refer back to this video to see the recipe. Alright, I'm doing too much talking. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, so let's start on the sauce. You're going to need a blender, or if you do not have a blender, you can just put it right into your kale, but it's better to be blended, but don't panic. We're going to start off with about 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes. This is all I have left, so I'm just going to dump this right on in. You cannot skip this ingredient. This is really what gives Tassili's like the most unique flavor, because a lot of people don't use sun-dried tomatoes that I found in their kale wraps. Next up, we're going to do 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. If you are raw, you're going to use 1/4 cup of coconut aminos. If not, you can use soy sauce, low sodium soy sauce. We're going in with a couple shakes of chili powder. If you need measurements, I would say a teaspoon. Salt. Pepper. And 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using grapeseed. I would not recommend to use no shade, but not a trash oil. I would use avocado, grapeseed. It's going to your body and it's raw, so let's not use anything that's, you know, gross for you. Y'all know we love garlic on this channel, so we're gonna put as much garlic as the ancestors tell me to. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some out. What are you saying? What are y'all saying? What you saying, Grandma? What you saying? Bam. Okay, she said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's her business. I follow what she said. That's what I grabbed. Y'all, I finally found my citrus squeezer, so we're gonna go ahead and juice this entire lemon. I probably might use half depending on how much it makes, but I want to do at least, probably, if I can do a 1/4 cup, let's try it. Ooh, I don't have to use that little hand method. Y'all be wanting to plant these seeds so bad, like so bad. Knowing good and well a tree ain't gonna be here no time soon. Yes. All right, let's see. This should definitely be 1/4 cup. Pretty much right at it. Bam. And we're gonna put it in our blender. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and put the top on and we're going to blend it. Now that your sauce is all blended, you can give it a little taste to see if you want to. Obviously you can't subtract anything, but you can see if you want to add anything. I already gave it a little finger and it's good to me. Sun-dried tomatoes are in there, okay? Again, I don't know if I use a little over 1/4 cup, but I want to go ahead and use the rest. But 1/4 cup is all you need, alright? I bought a 16-ounce bag of kale. However, I did split it up because I'm not sure I want all of my kale wraps to be Tassili's flavored, just because, listen, I'm an Atlanta native. I've been eating Tassili's for at least 10 years at least. Yeah, so I've been eating Tassili's for a long time, so I might want to switch it up and have a different, y'all get it. Basically I split it up in case I want to make a different flavor. Y'all don't care about that because y'all tuned in for Tassili, so shut up and mix it. I hear you. I heard y'all. Okay, this is entirely up to you, but you're gonna have to get in here and really massage the kale, so I recommend gloves. But baby, I mean, ain't nothing wrong with a little hand wash as well, but I definitely prefer to put on gloves for this part so I can really just get in there without getting in there. Okay, so we're gonna pour in our sauce, and it doesn't look like much, like it looks like you have way more kale than sauce, but that's why you really have to get in there and massage it. Okay, trust me, it will all be well. Plus we're gonna add in our toppings, and baby, you finna get your life. You finna get your life. Like really just talk to it. How was your day? You know, what's been going on? How are the kids? I don't know. This is your kale, your conversation. Just, yeah. But you're really massaging. So what I mean by massage, we're gonna squeeze and release. You want every single piece coated with all that sauce. There should be not a piece left untouched. The kale is disappearing. It's kind of like when you cook spinach, baby, this thing is down here, okay? So you can already see every piece has flavor on here. And we still really have a little bit more in the blender. I do want to get all of it out. We still have more sauce. That's like, that's a good little bit out there. So you want to get your cake scraper and get the rest out of there. Now you can honestly stop right here if you want the very basis of the kale wrap. However, I usually go for the punany, and that has the corn in there as well as the couscous. I do not have any couscous. However, I do have some bulgur wheat left over from my last time I went raw. All right, our kale has been massaged. She is happy. She has given me a tip. We're gonna set this aside and work on our coconut corn. And honestly, you can make it your own. I got some sunflower seeds. Y'all said, girl, do the recipe. Talk about the extras afterwards. I hear y'all. I hear y'all in the future. Shut up. Okay. So I got some raw yellow corn here. Again, I'm doing the raw version of this recipe. You can add in cooked, make it your own. We're just gonna cut this corn off the cob and we're gonna soak it in some coconut and pepper, and then boom, we got coconut corn. Do I know the real recipe? No. I'm gonna mix coconut with corn, period. I'm just gonna take a knife and simply cut the corn off of the cob. Yes, in case you've never watched my videos before, I've eaten raw corn several times. You will be just fine. Nothing has happened. So that's one kernel. Now let's do the other one. I'm simply gonna add a little garlic pepper to this. You can add regular pepper. It's just right here, y'all. So that's what I'm gonna add. Just a little garlic pepper. You can just do regular pepper. Just want to put a little extra flavor to it, because all I'm gonna do is soak this in literally coconut milk. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put about a cup of coconut milk into our corn. That should be enough to like soak in and get all the flavors going. Let's go ahead and mix that on up. Oh wow, that was more than enough. That's okay, because we still want it to soak in. I've already horribly chopped up a half of avocado. And I'm also gonna cut up some tomato. I learned my lesson several times, y'all. I used to put this directly into the kale mix, and baby, tomatoes be sweating, child. So you don't want to put this in your kale at all until you building your wrap. We're gonna season our tomatoes with a little salt and pepper, or whatever you like. Okay, this is your kale wrap. I'm gonna use some white pepper because I'm out of black. I'm gonna throw some chives on here for absolutely no reason. The girls just like to see herbs. The girls like to see the herbs. This is absolutely no reason. Last but certainly not least, we're gonna cut up half of this purple onion. I'm just gonna put it right beside the avocado since they're both gonna go in. I'm not sure what brand Tassili's use, but I had some leftover extreme wellness low carb burritos, so that's what we are going to use. Them. Instead of couscous, I do have some bulgur wheat here. I use this every time I go raw, so I was like, well, might as well use it because I already got it. I have soaked it for an hour. It's still a little chewy, but y'all, listen, it's good enough. It's good enough. I don't know what Tassili's used for her seasoning for her couscous, so all I did was threw in some multi-purpose seasoning and Trader Joe's vegan chickenless seasoning. Okay, this is very salty, so be careful with this stuff. We're gonna throw on some vegan mayo. Hey y'all, spoiler alert, I am about to wrap this wrap all kind of wrong, but we're gonna do it again. But I like to leave the mistakes in so people see what not to do. We're gonna toss in our kale. Now I like spicy kale, y'all, so I'm actually gonna add in some red chili flakes. You do have the option of spicy, mixed, or mild when you actually go to Tassili's restaurant. Put in some of that avocado, purple onions, our tomato, our bulgur wheat that's pretending that it's couscous. Y'all, I think it's gonna be way too heavy for this wrap. I think I should have left it. I think I should have left it double. And our coconut corn. Okay, let's pretend we perfect, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and double this. There's no way this thin wrap is gonna handle all this. Let's go ahead and go get back up, okay? Let's get back up. Ooh, I'm scared to pick it. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, y'all. Ooh, y'all. Woo! Okay, if I was a rapper, ha ha ha, where do we start? All right, we're gonna hit them with the skirt. Okay, we're gonna hit it with the pushback. Okay, that's what they do, right? Hit it with the pushback and the wrap. Okay, BM, hold on. Okay, push it back this way too. Okay, so we're gonna scooch it to the middle. Okay, I thought you made this a whole bunch of times before. Yep, and I mess it up every time. Yep. Ooh, this ain't right, y'all. Okay, the point is how you make the insides, okay? Not how you wrap it. Because I don't know what I'm doing, okay? Technically, they be using the saran wrap stuff, okay? I know y'all in the comments, oh my God, girl, how you don't know? I don't. because I don't. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna appreciate me for giving y'all the recipe. Okay, oh my God. I'm gonna go see if I got some aluminum, because that ain't gonna work at all. Okay. So, BM. Skirt, skirt. Okay. Scoot it to the middle. I have completely messed this up. I am so mad. It was such a pretty wrap. I mean, we're gonna cut it. Because the point is I want y'all to see the inside. Okay? Ben, y'all ready? I don't like to see this. Oh no. I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna do it again. Why would you drip like that? Why would you drip on camera? Smile at it. She's ugly. She's dripping. But she's good. Hey, listen. Let's do another one. Let's not put so much in there. Let's not do that. Be right back. This one I actually want to try with roasted hummus. I bought some roasted garlic hummus from Publix. Let's taste it first, actually. Let me not smother my kale wrap with something I never tasted. Literally just bought it today. I was like, ooh, roasted garlic hummus might be the move. Like, girl, don't embarrass me. I'm already frustrated. Don't do that. Just open. Smile at it. She's cute. Let's use it. I mean, it tastes like what it said. It tastes like regular hummus with roasted garlic. Like, it ain't like, but she's cute. Let's use this instead of mayo. Mayo's fine. I'm just, y'all get it. Stop talking, Aaron. All right, attempt number 2. Hummus. Going down. We're gonna put less kale in there. Okay. I truly believe I was off when I did this, y'all, because surprise, surprise, I did it wrong again. So we just gonna really fast forward this because I did it wrong again. And we gonna come back tomorrow and do it correctly. I do want to make sure you guys understand that you can always customize this kale wrap. This is just, like I said, the basic recipe. I'm going for the punany, but you can add in some raisins, some cucumbers. You can mix the cayenne pepper directly into your kale if you want a spicier kale wrap, because y'all know the next day the kale is even better. Just know you can make it your own. Just give you a basic kale wrap. And yeah, let's move on to tomorrow, please, because baby, I don't know, did I have a stressful day? I don't remember, baby. I could not get it together. There we go. Nowhere near as pretty as Tassili's, but we worried about the flavor, okay? I might actually go buy the proper kale wrap. I was being cheap. That's on me, and I do want this video to be good. It's gonna be lunch tomorrow. I'm a get another kale wrap. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow for round 2, because this is cute, but we're gonna be cuter. Bye, y'all. And it's the next day, baby. All right, y'all, I have been watching my tutorials. I think I'm ready to roll this kale wrap. So these are the wraps I'm using. I'm not sure if these are what Tassili's use. I have no idea, y'all. This is a copycat recipe. All right, y'all, let's get it. Y'all say a prayer, even though y'all watching this in the future. Just, please, Lord. Okay.
I know many of you already know how to roll a burrito, but many of you don't, so let me show you. First, you're gonna get these 2 sides. You're gonna meet them in the middle. And then make sure you, with these fingers, you're holding the food inside, and you're gonna tuck it in and nicely, tightly roll it up. Just like that.
There's literally no need for me to taste that, y'all. I had both of the ugly burritos for lunch and breakfast today. I ate the half for breakfast and I ate the other full one for lunch. Baby, it's so much better next day. Oh my gosh. So much better next day. Alright, this time I want to try it with the double wrap, and I'm going to add seaweed. Like, we here, y'all. We eating kale wraps. We here. Let's get it. So this is just a double method that I want to try. Might not work, but here we are. Again, I'm putting down our hummus. Also, the hummus makes a better glue for your kale wrap. Just in case you are wrap challenged like I am, this will like hold your burrito together better than the mayo will. The leakage is from the kale, y'all. After I washed the kale, y'all, I did not drain it. That was my bad. So that's why every time I roll it, it is leaking juice out. So I'm sorry. I know that looks so super gross, but that's all that is, y'all. It's just the kale was wet after I washed it. I forgot to drain out the excess water, not thinking, girl, your wrap gonna be soaking wet. But baby, this is so different. Look at this. I can toss it. Look at this, y'all. She is wrapped. I mean, obviously when you go to the actual restaurant, they'll wrap it in plastic so it won't you know, be straight in your hands like this. But yeah, I did that. Okay, why I didn't do that yesterday, I don't know. I don't know. All right, let's cut this one because I'm just so interested to see if this one looks more like the Tassili's inside. She's not gonna be a twin, but is she gonna look more like it? Oh, not at all. Where is the tomato? You can't even see the tomato. We need them little red specks in there. But she's still cute though. She is still cute. All right, I will take a bite out of this one just cause I made, this is 4 halves now. All right, y'all, so let's, all right, here we go. Y'all, that next day kale, y'all, I've been eating kale all day. Like I said, I legit had this for breakfast and this for lunch. So I just, baby, I can't have kale no more. I'm gonna make some spaghetti. Tomorrow I'll be ready. Tomorrow I will be ready. All right, y'all. Showed y'all the proper way, finally. Woo! All right. Y'all make that. We got an official copycat. Okay, not the official recipe. Official copycat recipe of Tassili's Punany wrap. So now I don't have to show y'all no more. Refer to this video or refer to one of the other 50-11 times I made this wrap, okay? I love y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Hopefully a less stressful video, because why would a raw wrap cause me so much pain? So much pain. Bye, y'all. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.